Welcome back to the comeback build. This time around, we are going to put some rock lights onto the 1967 GMC truck that we just picked up. Super excited about this. Why, you ask? Why am I putting rock lights on? Well, I might have a little surprise and I want to show them off at car shows. So these might be going away, so stay tuned, subscribe to watch this build series. We just put MICTUNING a switch box on, but as you can see, there's nothing on there yet. We need some rock lights, we need some lights, we need to light this truck up at nighttime for better visibility and also at car shows. Let's get into this. Like every video, we're going to do a quick unboxing. I did buy these from MICTUNING. I'll link any affiliate links or anything below. They did send me the switch panel and all that stuff. I decided I wanted to go with some rock lights, so I called them up and I did purchase these myself. These are the C2 RGB LED rock lights. Spec, it's your normal stuff. They're app controlled, so I can control them wirelessly on my phone, and then also with the switch box I'll be able to control it. In the box you have your instructions, you have a bunch of stickers. I tell you what, these guys, they love sending stickers, and I love stickers. Let's get into it. There's mounting brackets, all the screws, mounting hardware you will need. Everything you need to do the job is included in this package. Here's your power source. Since I do have this switch box installed from them, this will be a quick, easy install. Run it to 2 of those and hook it up, and it'll be simple. They do also include a switch. So if you don't have the switch panel, which I would recommend getting the switch panel, you can hardwire it with a switch, mount this in your dashboard. On to the good stuff. We have 12 lights. Here's what we got. Here's the main controller box. I will be mounting this under the hood. Also 2 strands of lights. So 6 on each side, 12 total. They do make bigger kits, and you can also add on expansion. These have 6 LEDs, real nice, high quality pods. Let's get into this install and see how it looks. Well, I had to wait till nighttime because I wanted to try these out, see how bright they were. As you can see, they're pretty bright. Thinking about putting one about right there, and then another one right there. So of course they'll be underneath it. I'm going to do 2 in the wheel well, 2 here, and then 2 back here. I think that will light it up. I'm going to get to mounting these. Unfortunately, it's dark outside, so, but with 2 in the wheel well, it will, these are bright lights. It's almost gonna light up the whole wheel well. I might go, I mean, one, as you can see, I gotta turn this off or put that out. One bright makes it pretty bright, but I'm gonna go with 2 because I got 12. So I'm gonna get into mounting these and we'll show you how it looks. Well, we took a couple days off doing the underbuy rock lights, but let's check this out, see the status. We just got new wheels and tires, so I wanted to wait to get them before we finish the install. I will show you where I'm mounting it and how I'm doing it. All right, So you can see right there, I have one. I'm going to do one there, and then one on the front side, and then also, let's go underneath. I got one up there, and then one down here. I'll point to it. So I put 3 long ones, 1, 2, 3. I have a short one I'm going to install right there, and then a short one here and a short one there. I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to zip tie it. I have them 3M taped right now just to get an idea, make sure all the cords and everything will run. I'll have enough wires. Once I do that, I'll go back, screw them up with the included hardware. Let me get back into this, finishing this install, and I'll give you an update. So I got the back half done. I mounted one right there in the wheel well, one up there, I mounted one right up top here. See it? You guys, this is what it's gonna look like minus the front right now. I did one on the back side of the wheel, one on the front side of the wheel. I did one underneath. I'll point to it right here, and then one underneath right there. I wanted to test it out, make sure it looked good before I go ahead and do the other side and then do the front. The front, I'm going to do the front of the wheel and the back just like this. This is going to look amazing. And also the app is quite user friendly. As you can see right here, I can change the speed of it, how fast it changes, the brightness level, you have dim, it's in the middle, and then on the bottom is the flashy, like kind of a flashiness to it. Really cool. It's got 3 selectors, so that's what I'm on. We can do this one, it goes black after, and then this one just says solid colors, and it is fully customizable. And then also up here you can do it mic operated, so if I'm talking like this, it will flash. Talking, 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 flashing, flashing. We can do music and all that stuff on the app. I'm going to get into finishing this and I will show you guys the final product. Here is the final product. I put one up here. I did not put one on the rear of the front wheel yet, so I still have 2 that I can run. I have one right here, one right here, and then 2 in the back. This is what it looks like, guys. They look great at night. They're sharp and they get attention. Just what I wanted. For the wiring, that box that you saw earlier, the black box, all I did is I ran it to the power and ground right here. It is on number 1. So these wires right there go to that power and ground into the box, the wire harness, or you can hook them up directly to your battery or to a fuse terminal. But I would recommend getting this MICTUNING wireless box. It makes installs a whole lot easier. As we go inside, this is what I got right here. Here's the status. Underglow, I use that one, box number 1, boom. Click it on, click it off, turns it on. Also have a radio hooked up, daytime running lights, which we'll get into in the next video, and then a horn. That's the install, real simple. And like I said, this is up to 328 feet away. I can control it, take this anywhere, put it in my pocket. Would definitely recommend getting this and the Neons rock lights. We'll drop all the links below. It is a great combination. Another install down. I think these will definitely do the job, do what I wanted them to do, show off the wheels, show off the truck at more nighttime and dust type events. Check out all the links below. We'll drop all the affiliate links. Like I said, I bought these myself from MICTUNING because I got the box from them. I wanted to try out the rock lights, so I got these. I'll drop all the discounts, affiliate links below. Don't forget, watch the comeback series if you haven't watched the switch install. Another great item from them. And I got one more item coming up. It's going to be bed lights that I just bought, so those will be coming up. We got a lot of install videos coming. Hope you guys stay tuned to the channel. Enjoy this. Check out video on the left and right.